Hey there, Abiding fam, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey Lee if you're new here, and I am so excited to be bringing another journal with me to this channel. It has been a while. I have a confession to make, which is an evident confession if you've been with me for a while. This has been 5 months since my last journal with me. Time has flown by. I just can't believe in looking back that it's been that long. And it's ironic as well because I have so many journal with me's filmed, like at least 10 journal with me's that are just sitting on my SD cards, but it's hard to find the time to edit and do the voiceover, which is why we are currently doing a voiceover for a journal with me that was filmed like a year ago. This day is actually documenting my now husband's birthday. We did a whole special day for him that I planned, including some of his favorite things for that day and just making it a day of his favorites, which you'll see a little bit in the title I create for this page. But yeah, this video, the actual content of it was made a long time ago. But I'm now able to edit it, do the voiceover, and we're just easing back into the journal with me's, which with a really quick one, so less than 5 minutes. So we'll have you well on your way to the next video, hopefully one of my videos, before you know it. So here, I really like this page because something I like to do when I have a lot of photos is do a collage. Using a 4x6, I just use PicCollage, which is an app, and I just put all of the photos into a 4x6. And I actually have a whole tutorial on my channel on how to use photos in your journal and how I print mine out, both in this way and to create the smaller pictures that I use more often in my journaling. So if you're interested in that, I'll have it linked for you. But the nice thing about using a big photo like this, especially if you're new to journaling, is it takes up a lot of room. So it allows you to have a little bit less space to work with on the page. So if you're just trying to do really quick journaling, it allows you to do that, but it also means that there's less space for you to get bogged down in the details and worried about what to put there, because you're just adding color to the page by using a lot of photo space. So for this page, I actually did a 2-page spread, so I did still have a lot of blank room, but I had so much I wanted to write about this day that I didn't need to actually fill it up with that much ephemera and all the pretty stuff, because after all, journaling is about the writing as well, so I wanted to have plenty of space for that. So I mostly used these floral stickers and then added in my own doodles for botanicals. And I thought that was a nice mix of pre-made things. So I have the stickers, but then putting in my own spin on it as well. So it feels more authentic to me. And I just did a whole little wreath, kind of, I guess you could call it, around Let's Celebrate Together, which is a sticker from one of the many memory keeping sticker packs that I have. And like I said, I decided to just do a large title in the top corner. So this is just going to say a day of Ben's favorites. Kept it super simple in that respect. And the botanicals and the stickers, the few that are on there. And that's really all it was to this page, as well as the little flex that you saw me do at the beginning of the Finetech Gold, which is a great tip for any time you want to add a little bit of pizzazz to your page. If it feels a little bland, get out a nice gold watercolor and just do a little flex. A toothbrush works really well for that, and it instantly just adds that little something that you're looking for. So that's it, guys. Then I put in my journaling, and that was all I needed to do for this entry. So hopefully this will ease us back into lots more journal with me's to come. So make sure that you're subscribed for those, and of course I have tons more on my channel, tons, 22 of them to be exact at this point, so go ahead and check those out as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next one, and until then, keep documenting your own life full of abiding joy, faith, and love.